Hey, this is Nick and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down a Hampton Bay ceiling fan. This is kind of a very decorative looking ceiling fan I got at a big box store. I can't remember which one. It's been installed for maybe 5 years or so, and I'm doing some renovations and it just doesn't go with the vibe of the house anymore. So taking it down, and I'm going to be putting up another video of installing the new fan, but this is just taking down the old fan. So here we go. And there's the old fan. So I've already started, and then I said, oh, I should make a video of this. So I took the glass thingamabob off that covers the bulbs. So I pulled that off and started taking this thing apart to pull it out. And I'm not exactly sure how this thing comes apart, so I'm going to figure that out. You want to make sure the power is off to this so you can't accidentally electrocute yourself. So make sure the power is off, and first thing you want to do is figure out how to get this thing down. There's a whole bunch of screws around the outside here. And by a whole bunch, I meant 3. There's 3 screws. Oh, that seems like it's doing something. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, now we've got that. There's just a little clip here. Set that aside. And then we'll stick these screws back in so we don't lose them. Alright. Take off the little screws. And I can see that there's 2 slotted screw heads here. This one I gotta pull out all the way. The other 2, oh, like that. And then maybe the blades come off. Let's put that one screw back in. Put the screws back in. So that's all off. Let's see here. Wouldn't have expected that. Undo the wires. Alright. Cap them just to be safe. Put these nuts back on. Just take this down. Cool. Alright. Now, I was really hoping the ceiling was painted, and it is. That's good. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like what you saw. If you did, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and ring the little bell so you can get notifications of all my new videos. And I will put a link in the description and probably a little link up here for the next video, which is installing the new ceiling fan. So, that's it. Have a great day. See you on the next video. This thing on?